Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2016 KTM Duke 690. This bike has just a little under 2,400 miles on it and is in mint condition. It is pretty much all stock other than the fender eliminator that's been put on it. So let's take our walk around it. I'll show you the bike and then we will fire it up for you. Excuse me. They've kept this bike very clean. And as you can tell, it hasn't been ridden real hard. Tires are still in great shape. Plenty of miles left on that. And like I said, for the most part, this bike is all stock. Other than the fender eliminator that was put on it. So really just a clean looking motorcycle. And like I said, you can tell this bike hasn't been ridden real hard by looking at the tires. Just a couple of little tiny scuffs here on this back tip of the tail. $23.62 is what's on it. This Duke 690 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.